What's up, everybody? This is HH Trader back with another live trading video. Today we are looking at 4 stocks that are moving on my scanner. The last one I have to look up is SSKN, and then I'll go over the other ones. So let me see. SSKN, float of 20 million. At FinViz, SSKN, looking like a float of 15 million at Yahoo Finance. So from 15 to 20 million. And it has a shelf registration back in 2018, so that's way out of range. Let's go ahead and check this news on these. 15 to 20 million, shelf way back in 2018. All right, so let's go ahead and go through this news. Now, ZCMD is one of those Chinese movers, so I do like it. I'm gonna definitely be watching it out of the open. It's one of those Chinese movers, and for some reason the past couple of months the Chinese stocks have been going crazy, so I'm definitely interested in this one. The news on it today, let's see, 6 a.m. renews contract with China Association of Health Promotion Education. Okay. Then it just got some news a couple of minutes ago. Jumps on renewing medical education. We'll have to see what kind of motion it gives on the open. It does have kind of like a flat top here, the 345 level. So we'll definitely be watching that. Huge is another one that's always moving. Doesn't have any kind of big news on today, so I'll just let that one play. REC, it had American Resources Corporation to build 2 kW mobile electrolytic cell rare earth processing plant. Okay, so they're building a processing plant. SSKN did not have any news on today. So out of the open, I'm definitely watching ZCMD out of the open. And I'm definitely willing to enter it before my setup even comes, because I want to make some money. It is very cheap right now. Let me go to the daily chart on it and see what kind of levels of resistance that we may see today. So it's up at 329. It's over this level right here, so we can just put that as a support right here. And then it is up. Wow, the next level has a level up here. Let's see, does it have any other levels down here that we can possibly? 350 may be a little bit of a level for it. 350 right there. We also have this 3, that's over that, 310. I put that as a support as well. All right, so we got our supports, we got our resistance. We're looking for that 350 break or either a ride up to the 350. So let's get ready. We have about 5 minutes to the bell. Let me go ahead and make sure, check my Charles Schwab down detector real quick. Okay. Charles Schwab down detector. Looks okay. No huge spikes. All right. And I am able to log into everything else, so we're looking good on the day. All right, so it does have this little flat top here of maybe the 340s, 340 level, looking like a buy spot. It's tested that level 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Got about 4 minutes to the bell. Very volatile stock. Looks like it has a top right there of the 334 that it just challenged. 334, 335 level. 335 level. Hopefully it can hold there, but it's probably going to get going before the bell rings. Yeah, it looks like those buyers are coming on in there. They do have a nice selling level here of 19,000 shares just popped down, so it probably is going to pop through that and go up. Yep, pop down right there. They got destroyed. Looking for it to break out of this top here, 34. Two minutes to the bell. Let's see if those sellers jump back on it. Does have a little double top there. I wish it would go down first. That would have been great. Topping tail also on the 5 minute. The 338 level. 38. Kind of got held right there. Tried to go up 3 times. It should give us some red here. Good a bit of red. Or it may just go ahead and push. Yep. 338 was where I was looking for the open, but we'll have to see. Oh boy. 338 right there, going through it. This one has 12 million in the float. Huge is not looking good. This, boom. This one just popped up, CVU. But let's go ahead and get up here to ZCMD. Now it is open. Get a nice little lunch up there. Hit the lunch pad. Jumped up from the 44 up to the 70s. Let's see this little pullback. Big pullback right there. Huge pullback. Lordy, lordy. Look at that one. All right. So that's not good. Let's see. Huge. What kind of action is Huge giving? Huge is giving some huge action to the upside. It was fading at first, but now it's giving some moves on this first minute. ZCMD coming back into play. Okay, got back up there. Okay, the top side of this high is the 662. Okay. Trying to see, is it gonna be strong? What is it gonna do here? Top of this is the 360 right there. I'm looking for a 360 play. 361. Trying to see how it's gonna close up. It has about 5 seconds, still not giving us the red. Going green, going red. Okay. Top side of this is the 375. There's a little bit of red. Will it hold up this bottom? It did not, but it's okay. I'm still willing to buy up here past the 65, so 66 level. If it can close red here, we need to see a bottom though. Letting this one close up. If it goes without me, oh well. I would love to get that top right there, but hey, went up there, no red yet. Very extended. Looking for a bottom. Broke the bottom down here and is ramping up. All right, 390. Still no pullback. The first 3 minutes of the day have passed. It's our first kind of legitimate pullback here, but is this the new bottom at the 365? The 1 minute high here is the 370, so let's see if it can also hold over that 1 minute high here. It cracked it a little bit. Trying to hold up there. What will it do? It's like the buyers are still interested in it. In with 50 shares at 345. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. 50 shares, 345. Oh, you got in right when it opened. Oh yeah. Looking for a little bit of a pullback. Come on, get down there. Big. ZCM. Where is our new bottom here? All right. Okay, will it hold up that 1 minute high right there of the 370? Looking like it will. 397, 398. Looking for this bounce here for an entry. Bounce at 387 there. 391. That's where I'm looking at. Will it break down? Getting on down there. Getting bought up. Can it get back over to 75? I'll be willing to take a 91 buy if it can get back over to 75. The high here is the 87. Got back over. I'm looking for a 91 in. Oh, no stop orders. Okay, got you. All right, so I can order. Getting a little bounce there. It's a big red candle that is trying to fight here. Huge red candle actually. So no stop orders on this one. I always forget to check that. Little dead cat bounce there. Looking for the new bottom. Okay. Got back down there and did it again. Alright, dropping through. SSKN. Let's go check out SSKN while that one tries to revive itself. SSKN looking good as well. Let's see some red here. CVU. Okay, back over the 71 area. That's where I'm looking at. 71 into the 70s. I'll be looking to take a bit, and I'll just use this as my bottom. This low of the 61. Whoa, snap down right there immediately. Wow, that was fast. I was using this 60 and it snapped down right there. Very fast trade right there. Okay, top side 75 break is what I'm looking for now. 76 break. Okay, looking heavy right there. Go ahead and cancel that order and look back up here at the top. ZCMD. Kind of fading. Thought it would give more of a bounce than that. Breaking down. Alright, back to SSKN. Top side right here is the 271. I'm willing to do it again. 271. Bounce. Get in at the 272 here. If it can get up. I will use this as my low. Again, 260. $265. Let's go ahead and take that. 265. I'll be ready to get out here. 265. We have a triple bottom here, so 61 is my out. 61 there. Be my out. Looking for a push. Got up there. Oh my God. Come on, get bought up. Oh my gosh. That was huge. That was huge. Wow. That was a very, very fast rejection right there. All right. Couple of trades in. Wow, wow, wow. That rejection though. It was up and then immediately came down. ZCM. Not looking too good. Wow, SKN, man, that thing really, really rejected. That was some major rejection right there. All right, I'm gonna let that one play. Look back up here at ZCMD. The re-break of this 1 minute high. So where I'm looking at, it's got to get back across that 9 though. It's looking like it's struggling. Wow, wow, wow. I can't believe this one did that. Back up here, 260s, 267, 268. I'll try again. 268 for another rip right there. Let's see if it can get back up to the 268s, which will be the body of this 5-minute candle 260. Or it may break down here. Let's see what it does. Yep, broke down. CVU is getting a nice push. The top of this high is the 659. 659 there. So I'm looking for that 659. Let me do 300 bucks. 45. Big dip there. That was bad. Big dip. So we're gonna have to let that one play. It is making higher lows, but look at it, struggling. Okay, SSK. All right. Let's see if we can get another bounce off of CVU. I think I took let me see, how much have I lost on these. Of course, I'm following the plan, sticking around 10 cents on these losing trades. So following the plan, getting out 10 cents. 10 cents down, I'm out. Gave us a little dead cat bounce there. If it gets back across the 635, I'll be willing to take. 636. 300 bucks. Get 30 shares there. 636. I'll be willing to take across that 636 right there. And I'll use this as my out. Right here, the body of this candle, the 610. If it can hold up that, 610 will be the out. And I'll move it up as we go. Okay, breaking down the body right there, but it's still higher. Still getting higher, so this will be my out right here. Had a bounce up here to the 627. Let me revamp my entry. 627. 30 shares. Right there on the top of that, 627. Oh, come on, get me in there. What are you doing? 30 shares at the 627. Right there, in right there. I'll be out. I'll use this as my bottom down, or actually, let's see, where do I want my bottom to be? I'll use the 610 as an out. Got in 30 shares. The bottom of this is 591. 591 there. And I'll just get out there at the break of this low here. If it just wants to go down, hey, I'll let it have it. Looking for that nice little workup though. Let's see it get bought up, possibly. Looking for the next low to form. In with 30 shares. Not going to add to this position at all. Just waiting. New bottom is looking like this, $6. If it can push. Just going to hold out those 30 shares right now. REC is also working its way up. Wow. REC is on the move as well. Getting up there. It's too late for me on that one. But let me just watch CVU and see what it wants to do. Looking for a new bottom to form. Is that the bottom? We don't know yet. There's some buyers down there. If it breaks this though, I'm done. I'm done with it. That's a lot of money. Broke a little bit. Looking for a new low to form. We'll be moving up with the new lows. So $6 is looking like it's getting a bounce right there. We're gonna wait and see though. Threw a little wick down there. Looking to get out at the 591 here. Breaking down the 6, looking like, yep. Quick little dip right there. Alright, so let's play the top side, 548. 548. Let's see, we can do 200 bucks. 548, 550 break, 30 shares. Let's go 40 shares on this break here. 550, 551. Let's get in there. 551 break here. This will be my out down here at the 534. Might need to move this down. Let's see, the top side 550, 549. Let me go 549 here. This will be my new out, 536. $536 will be my out. It can push. Getting held down there. Was looking for that 550 break. This will be the new low. 536. All right, let me cancel that order. Did not get me there. Still watching REC. Top side of this is the 550 break, 551 break. 40. 300 bucks, 50 shares. Do 50 shares here. If it can get on up, there was a little bounce there. Looking to see how weak this thing is gonna be. Where is the new low? Is it gonna break down? This low is a 525. Bouncing off of that. 540, 541. It's my new entry level there. Love to see it push through that. Hopefully it doesn't break down here, but I'm looking at the 541 bounce. This one closes green, closes red. Looking like it will. Okay. Are we gonna come back green a little bit? Looking for that 540. Nope, broke down. Don't like it. CVU is coming back up. Coming back up. Top of this is the 20s. Wow. So I'm looking for that 35 break, 36 break, 36 break. I need to size down a little bit. Looking for that 36 break. I'll take it. And I'll use this as my low. I'm in there, using this 608 as my low. In there with 30 shares, 608 will be my out. Let's see what kind of action it wants to give us. Can we be sporadic here? Okay, new low, new low forming there at the 622. It can continue getting a push there. We'll love to see it challenge the highs here. Last low was the $6. So I actually move it down to the $6 break. $6 right here. Looking for a new low to form up here. Buyers looking like they're trying to step in. Looking for a new low to form. Okay, getting on up there. Okay, getting on up there to the 50s. We would love to see it test this high of the 59. Okay, so got our resistance up there. Got up there. New low is becoming this igniting candle. This igniting candle low is the 31. So I put it at a 25 break. If it breaks that 25, I have to get on down. 625 is the VWAP. Still pushing. Okay, nice. I'm gonna wait for a new low to form now. I'm just gonna wait. Use VWAP as my out though. VWAP is at the 24 just to stay safe. Just in case it wants to give a big move down. Okay, big move down there. Looking for the bottom. If it goes past VWAP, we'll be out. And that'll be 37 to the 24. See if we can continue up a little bit. We do have a new low here where I'll be moving up to the 36. Looking to see if that is the low though. Coming down there to VWAP. Bouncing off that level again. 36 is going to become our new low. VWAP is at the 29 right now. Looking for that 36 to become our new low. 36. A lot of selling pressure there, but I believe the buyers can come on through. Looking for that 36 to become the new low. If it can push, there it is. All right, 36 becoming the new low. So I'll be put my order there at the 36 right there. Okay, getting on up there. Nice. So 36 right now, I'm risking 1 cent if it does crash out. Looking for it to get going. Looking for those 70s to come into play. Looking heavy right there. 65. Okay, looking for some irrational movement here. Looking like we're getting it a little bit. That's a triple top right there. Love to see it break that. If not, I'll go ahead and move it to break even. 38. 38 will put me right. 40 will put me right where I need to be. So I'm in with the 40 break, looking for it to make maybe a new high. I mean a new low, new higher low. Up 38 cents on this trade. This is an igniting candle, so I'm going to be moving it up to the bottom of this one, which is the 57 momentarily. Looking for it to push. 57. We got to push down here 50s, so 650. 650 is where we're looking right now to move it. It's definitely getting a little bit of buying pressure, but can we get those big buyers in there? Okay. So I put it at 649 for now. That's a long little fall. We're looking for a new low to form. Looking for that new low, and I will move it up. Okay, this may be the low, or it may actually go down some more. But if it breaks over this one, this will be our new low of the 669. 669 level. Looking for it to break. $669 will become our new low if it can. Getting heavy there. Looking for that new low to form. Okay. Nice little touchdown right there. We'll make the 660 our new low. Did not cross the igniting bar. Oh, okay, that was quite a move. Alright, so this will be the new low. 660. About to move it up. If it can get over these two, I'll definitely move it up. 660 becoming the new. Yes. Getting up there, challenging. Can it push through? Can we get a push? Can we get that nice push through there? Come on. Looking for the new low to form. Come on. Oh, this is probably one of the longest trades I've been in ever. Looking forward to get that green love. Okay. Trying to move down to the VWAP. VWAP is at the 641. Challenging the 9 right there. Looking for a new low. So 652. It's looking like it. So I'll make it 650. If it can get up, moving back up to the upside real quick. Yep, getting that nice little push there. But this may be a small dead cat bounce. So I'm going to wait and see. That 650 level is looking nice though. Because I don't count green bars as actual bottoms. So I'm not going to put a stop order right there. I'm going to wait for an actual red candle to form. Okay. So where's our new bottom here? Alright, so the last tested level was a 660, which is where I'll put my stop out at here. It's getting up. It's challenged this level multiple times. It needs to push through this high. If not, I'll be out at the 660. Looking for it to challenge that top, push through that high. Okay. Kind of ate up there. The high is the 688. Did not break though. Getting heavy right there. So I'll be out at the 660. Are we gonna get a little bit more green or no? Looking for a new bottom to form now. Okay, 690s got touched a little bit. Waiting, watching, wondering. Okay, 690, $7 right there. Looking for a new bottom to form here. I mean, it looks good, but looking for that new bottom. Up almost 60 cents per share now. Trying to see what it wants to do. I'm probably going to start using the 9 here as my out. Let's see if it can stop above this 660 level though. Give us another bottom. Okay, 690s. Looking for the new low here. Bro, I didn't even realize my screen went off on my phone. Let me see if y'all left any comments. Oh yeah, nope. Alright, we're good. We're good. We're sitting in this one right now. We'll be out at the 660. Looking for a new bottom to form here. If it can push, oh, looks like it's coming down. Let's see if it stays above the 660 there. Snap down a little bit. Needs to get back over at 75 and stay over the 75. Very small motion upward. Still has not formed a new low yet. Okay, got me out there. Nice little trade. Probably the longest hold I've had like ever. But I'm still down quite a bit on the day. Let's see, RTech, whatever it is. The top of this one, this high is the 550s. Or no, high is the 564, 565. Got $300 left. Let's go in 150. How many can I get? 25 shares there. The high of this is the 561, be my entry. 561, but it's breaking down. Broke the body of this candle. That one's going ahead and breaking down right there. Okay, so 560 was the top here, 561. Looking for a close here. 5 seconds left on this candle. Okay, going on down, looking weak now. Getting on down there. Back up to CVU. We can do a breakout on the 86, 686. 686. Let's do 150 bucks. 150 bucks. 20, let's do 25 shares. Breakout of the 86, 87 level. Be in up there. It did kind of hold this bottom here, so we'll see if it can give us some reprieve, or is it gonna go red? Use that 660 as a out again. Okay, 660 is our out. It's looking for the break of this 1 minute candle. Not seeing it yet. Okay, 660. $674, $675. Can it hold up the 660 and make a higher low? 683, new entry. 683. If it looks like it's gonna break that 660, so I don't like it anymore. Cancel the order. Looking for REC. REC has a top side up here of the 57, so it needs to get back into the 60s. 560 and yeah, 561. And that's where I'll be watching it. 561 break. Is giving a nice dead cat bounce here. It's got 30 seconds left. 561, I'll be in. Let's see, that's the dead cat bounce. I'm gonna use the bottom here as my out. So 540 will be the out. Looking like it's pulling back off those 60s. Top side of this, the high of the 58, 59 area. Okay. Let's see what it wants to do. We're in there on the 60. The low is the 540 here. 540, I'll be out. Looking for a continued push to the top. This is the bottom here, 540. Coming on down there. Looking like it wants to form a new bottom, but popped off that bottom. This will be the new bottom of the 546 there. Looking for it to get bought up. Nice. 560s. Okay. We were up a couple of cents. This is the bottom that's under the 9 now, so 546 will be the out. Looking for a new low to form though before I move this. Has a flat top up here on the pre-market. It's another time that it's challenging this level. The 572 is the top. Where is the new bottom? Getting some major rejection off of this. Will it break the 39 here? Following my rules right there. So right there on that 25 shares I just got stopped out on, 20 cents right there. Got out exactly where I needed to get out. Anyway, that one's chopping around. Let's see, I got 187 bucks left. I am down quite a bit, but I have not reached max loss. When did I lose 37 cents on? I guess it must have, I don't know why that's 37 cents, but anyway, everything else is going according to plan. RX going back down there trying to figure out what low it wants to take. CVU is pretty much done. Okay, so RX has a low down here, but is not making higher lows. It's breaking its lows. It's going to have to give us some green. $5.47. Going down there and filling out. Let's see if it gives a bounce back through this 48 level. A bounce off of VWAP. Right over this 47. What's the high of this? 47. So yeah, 48. Or it may just go ahead and crack. Yep, it's cracking down. Nothing else is really moving right now. I did have a pretty good run up on that on this on this move here, but I had already taken too big of a red on that other trade to kind of dig myself out of it. So it's whatever. I think I'm down maybe like 30 bucks or something like that. I think I'll go check in a minute. Right. Can we break over the 45 is the question. 545, 546, 546. $547, 546, 547. See if we can get back up there. Take 15 shares across that break right there. Use this as my out. This bottom low of the 530 is the out. Wow. Dipping down there. It's okay. That's the top. The top is the high of the 44. So 45 break would definitely be where I'm looking. 45 break there. The low of this is the 525. Looking for it to get up. Okay, may not be strong enough to get up there. All right, it's getting on up there. We're gonna look for a new low. So the last low that is kind of recorded is this 526. So I use the 525 as the out here. It is giving a pullback there. Okay. Top side high is the 542 right there. 542. Cancel that order. 543. Looking for an entry at the 543. Use this as a low. It's 531. Let's see what it can do. Looking like it wants to go for a swim here. Looking for the break over this 1 minute candle here. Will it make a lower low? It did make a lower low. I'll cancel my order and go and look at CVU, which is dying. All right, it's 9:18. Now I did take quite a few trades today. We can go ahead and look at that while we're waiting on something else. If you guys see anything, drop it in the chat. Anyway, took quite a few trades today. Traded SSKN with some failures. Traded CVU with some failures. Traded REC with some failures. So the smaller sizes I didn't think I stopped out 10 cents on this 20 shares. Let me think. What did I do? No, I got in 100 and I took another 100. That's what it was. This was the second trade. This was 2 individual sales on 1 buy. And then REC had 25 shares, so I was willing to let it run against me just a little bit more. But this CVU, I don't know how it ran down 37, but whatever. All right. Whoops. All right, put my positions back up there. We're waiting, we're watching. Have $187 left. Tell you what, man, I am damaging my account. Let's see where I'm at now. Lost 30 bucks today. 30 bucks. I kind of figured I was around 30 bucks, but yeah, I was almost exactly right. 30 bucks. And I didn't even trade my strategy today. I didn't even look for it. I took entries that looked like they could go. That's it. All right, things are popping off of the scanner. Remember, I am closing down at 10 a.m. So, or actually, it will be 11 a.m. Eastern. Anyway, if you guys traded anything, made your profit today, what did you trade? Drop it in the chat. And yeah. If you didn't take any trades today, what were you what looked like it would have been a good trade? Because you know, hindsight trading is the best. Fading on down. Traded ZCMD. Made 20 cents on 50 shares. Nice. Nice, nice. Yeah, you bought almost when the market opened. I was like, "Oh my gosh, you got faith, man." I'm still in TNXP. What is that doing? TNXP. Oh wow. It's a dollar stock. You were in at 139 with 100 shares. 139. Wow, you are brave, man. You are a good one. 138. So you bought the break of this triple top, and now you're just holding. That is amazing. And you're holding with 100 shares. That's pretty nice. That is pretty nice. What was the news on this one today? Gapping up, Tonics positive COVID-19 vaccine. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Looking real nice there. And that's got COVID news. I think I may have changed my scanner. That's why I'm not seeing this one. Let me see what the market cap on it is. Yeah, I had changed my scanner. That's what it was. Let's see if I can see it now. Nope. IMTX is the only thing that's up right now. Stick with what I got. TNPX is grinding up though. It would have definitely chopped me out. I would have been buying here. That's one of my little setups right there. Would have got chopped out right there, because I definitely would have used this as my stop. Then I would have bought again right on this one. Would have got chopped out if I held. And it only went up, let's see, from the 50 to the 4, that's 4 cents. And then from here, 48 up to the 52, that is, what was it, 48 to the 52, 4 cents. So 4-cent moves, I would have got chopped out. It's just not paying enough. Yep, I don't have the patience for that. I would have blew a whole blood vessel watching this stock. What is the market cap on this one? It doesn't even say it in the research. Let me go look at what the market cap is on this one. TNXP. TNXP Market cap, where is it? It's got a large float, 156 million, so I definitely wouldn't have traded that one. Yeah, I saw the news. The news was looking good. It may actually, be one of those that if you hold throughout the day, maybe you make a good amount of money on it. Because looking at where you got in and where it is now, it's up 20 cents. So, as long as it doesn't do any big dumps, you're good to go. The news was COVID-19. Wait. Tonix Pharmaceuticals provides positive update. Okay. Announces preliminary results. Yep. Well, I'm gonna see what happens all the way up until 10 a.m. and then I'm gonna shut it down. Boy, you are steadily making money on this thing. Slow but steady. I guess the turtles do win the race sometimes. Because of course I am accepting a lot more risk on my trades, a lot more. Because mine was moving like 30 cents in a second. Insanity. Let me see how many buys I did today. So I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. SSKN I kind of sized up because it was a $2 stock. I wanted to actually make some money, but it just wasn't the move. But yeah. $159.37. Let's see if it'll break that. Look, it threw a wick up there. It's gonna break it. It's definitely gonna break that. I cannot trade a stock moving like this. Or really, it's not even trading a stock like this. This is like a drop your money and let it grow kind of stock. $159. Let's look at the level twos. Who's sitting at the 159? Ooh, got some big boys sitting up there at that 159. 18,000. Let's see if they get eaten through. 157 has 10,000. It just dropped. 158 has 23,000. Will it get eaten through? This number needs to start going down. 39. There it is. Wait, it just dropped. Okay, 158 back up there. Looking for it to explode through that 158 level. On the tape here, we see sales of the 157, 157. We're trying to see green 158s come through. 158s. There is some 158s right there. And then more 157s. We need to see almost a straight line of 158s and it'll break it. Let's see. There's one 158. Ooh, 156 going down. Come on. Where are those 158s? Might go up and challenge the 158 now, but it's tried to go down 3 times. So if it breaks over this 158, it's definitely going to go at least to the top. But if it breaks this triple bottom here at the 156, that's not what you want to see. 156 has a large amount of buyers down here, 43,000. So it's definitely more buyers on our level 2 than it is sellers to the top side. So now they just got cracked. Lordy, lordy. Those sellers, that was a lot of buyers to crack. And they're cracking them. That's crazy. All right, we got 30 minutes left on the stream. I've taken my trades today. Took my L again today. Nice L. Man, I'm gonna have to man, I'm gonna have to make 30 bucks today to put in that savings account. This is what I hate about big losses. I have to make that in a day. These are the rules. Whatever I lose, make it in a day and put it in a savings account. So I don't even feel like it. Usually the loss is $10, and that's easy to make. But let's get it. 30 bucks isn't gonna kill me. Just means I actually have to go do something. TNXP. Yeah, I'm a contractor. So I actually have another channel. I actually build, maintain, and program GPS systems. So yeah, I do freelance work. I get contracted out. Um, and yeah, that's what I do. TNXP. Man, everything's looking heavy right there. Lizzie. Wow, Ari got killed down there. CVU. Wow, just total decimation across the board. Crazy, crazy moves. TNXP. TNXP. Still above VWAP, so I wouldn't be just super concerned, but VWAP is at the 145. If you got in at the 138, they'll put you at only a 38 to the 45, 17 cents. 38 to the 45, no, 7 cents. So yep, there it comes down. Will it break? My question would be, will it break this bottom on the 5-minute right here? The bottom 5-minute, the low is the 147. It's got to hold up that level. Okay, 934. Oh. So another day in the dumps for me. Man, I'm getting tired of doing red day recaps. Lordy. And I am not putting more money in this account. I will grow it organically. I will take losses until I win. Because on the majority of these, if I would have held any longer, these losses probably would have took me on to like $50 loss, a $50 loss or $80 loss. And $50 loss is my max loss on the day. So I'm still well within my max loss. I got $20 more that I could possibly spare. But I'm not willing to spare it on anything because nothing has hit my scanner yet. TNXP got a little bounce off that bottom right there, the 148, which is where I said it. Let's see, 145 is where it needed to hold up. 147 is where it needed to hold up. So let's see, will it hold up that 147? If it can't hold up that 147, it's probably gonna take a dip, because that 147, the next bottom is all the way down here at the 135. So that is from the 147 all the way. Let me look on the level 2 and see where the buyers are sitting. Got big buyers sitting at the 130, but that's past this level. Let's see who else is sitting out here. 133s. Any other like larger, like 52,000 shares sitting out here? Nothing that big. So I'm expecting a drop. And then look on the sell side, how big this is getting over here. 120,000 shares getting sold or ready to sell. Because just because they're on the level 2 doesn't mean that they're sold yet. It could be a spoof. It could be just someone flashing numbers. But once they come over here on the tape, these are the actual fields. So I never really completely trust the level 2 until I see that price on the tape. 148 got down there, and I guarantee it's going to break that 147. 147. Let's see these numbers decrease, and we're going to see a break of that 147. 92. Okay, the buyers coming back up. Okay, going down. They got to get through the 48 so they can get to the 47. Yeah, I think it's going to crack. VWAP is at the 148. It's going to crack. Definitely. Boom. There was a crack right there. We should see some follow through that. Because that 147 is like the floor, and it's going through the floor. Where's the follow through on that break? Looks like they're trying to hold it up at the 47. Low of the 147 is holding up right there. Does not look good on this pattern though. This is like a nice umbrella pattern or a McDonald's sign pattern, like an arc. Looking for that break of that 147. 20 minutes left on the stream. Anybody see anything else? Anything else out there other than TNXP? CVU still down. RIC still down. What else? Huge was up on the day as well. Let's see. Huge is down. Huge. iSun, ANC, Life. Yeah, nothing else looks like it's going to. Where's SSY doing today? Trash. ENZ. Not even living. Okay. Well, It's like we got dead bodies now. Dead bodies in the water. Broke down that 147. Yeah, that's a fader for the day. All right. So I don't see anything else. I'm just my patience. I gotta go make this money, man. I come in here, trade. Love trading. I absolutely love it, but it takes money to trade. So more money I lose, the more money I need to make to reimburse myself. And that's one thing about trading. It is risky. You're actually losing real money. No simulation over here. But trading, I can understand why it's addictive though, because you can lose. Even when you lose, it's still fun. It's kind of like, it's the competition is fun. The journey is fun, even when you lose. But I'd rather win. Give me the green days. Let me see. On that top mover, which was RX, did it ever even do my strategy? Because I didn't even look for my strategy here. Let me see. Okay, I did my strategy. Didn't completely respect the 9 right there, but I still would be interested in that buy over that 1 minute candle. And then let's look down here. Again, it did that same little, or no, not right there. Right there. So over this candle here, it's above the 9 EMA. It did cross above and go a little bit higher. So that could have been an entry there. That was a little bit of the strategy, but this candle here kind of messed it up. But they still were both above the 9 EMA. This one kind of messed up as well, because it did a three descending candles. So that kind of takes away from the momentum upward. And then after that, nothing at all. The other one that I traded, see, that was RX SSKN. Did it ever actually do my strategy? No, it did not. I just jumped into that one, got that big pump up, and then the rip down, and I got out of there. CVU, okay, this one is a little bit of my strategy. It did kind of cross over the 9, but it came back up and broke this high from the 632 up to the 660. So that's a 30-cent run. And then again here, we are above the 9 EMA. Broke that high, but it only broke it by a little bit because of this topping tail. That's just a lot of topping tail to get back over. So yeah, it didn't really set up the way this topping tail messed it up. It has to be a smaller topping tail, or either like a half and half wick on each side. The last one, I think that's all of them. That's all 3 of them. So we got 15 minutes left. Let me look at what TNX is doing, and then I'm gonna probably shut it down here. Yeah, TNXP went down there and bottomed out. 144 is very close to the 200 SMA of 144. So it's just a little bounce off the 200 SMA, but I don't know how far it'll go throughout the day. Alright guys, so thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're on YouTube. Don't forget to follow if you're on Twitch. Again, I will be trading in the morning. Usually I go live usually around 8:15, 8:20ish. I'm live, and then I'll actually do my intro, and then we'll get into the analysis. But anyway, another day in the books, and another red day in the books, but another learning experience as well. So what do you think, guys? Do you think I should look for my strategy specifically, or should I take entries that are I don't know, more aligned with fast taking? Because one of my entries was pretty good, but I don't know. We'll see tomorrow morning. Anyway, that is it. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.